Hey guys, we're at the Computex 2025 InWin Hotel somewhere in, I don't know, near Computex?
Nangan,
Nangan, that's
we're
right.
like right next to the exhibit hall.
Exactly, and we're with Justin, and Justin is going to show us this thing. What is it?
It is actually our 40-year anniversary special.
Oh,
edition
right,
PC.
okay, cool.
So you know how we do our like crazy
Yes,
pizza here?
yes.
This one's our anniversary. Like remember celebrating all our past 40 years. As you can see, it's fully aluminum except for this like stainless steel piece, and then this is acrylic.
It looks like a bubble tea thing.
Yes,
it is.
Is now our designer wanted to symbolize more of a like Olympic torch sort of feel, like passing on the torch throughout the years.
Okay, I get it.
Sort of like that's why this piece is called a ChronoMancy, like passage of time and like magic.
Yeah, because I say bubble tea because it's Taiwan.
Yeah, I know. Everyone gets that. It's only because of the antenna.
Oh, that's the antenna.
Yeah,
okay,
that's the Wi-Fi
okay.
antenna.
Okay,
that's why.
So 40th anniversary. So congrats to InWin for achieving the 40th anniversary.
1985, right there.
Wow. Some people born in that year.
Yeah, not me.
Great. So tell us more about the hardware inside. What have you got inside to
well, first of all, we got.
What is this?
This is our wand. It does require a little bit of magic to open, which is why.
Oh, it's like a remote control.
Yes.
Okay, show us.
And then wow. Well, I spoke a magic word to my mind, but here it goes.
Okay, so the whole thing slides up.
Now you can see the internal parts. Yeah, it's a lot quieter than our model from last year.
So you've actually separated like components. Like
we had help with outside third party to help us build and like do the actual hard tubing. But yeah, it's a lot quieter than last year's builds. If you saw it last year, it opened. But this one's
right. So last year's build done the motorized when it goes down with the curved glass, right? This one has the motorized, but it's very smooth, very quiet. So water cooled, of course, and you have these are SSDs, I guess.
Yes.
Right. Got two. I like the way that you put them like separate, and it looks like an individual kind of. Okay.
We got a whole cooling system, and in the system it says that ROG Astral 5090.
Oh, that's a big card, right? Yeah. I'm surprised it was
all out for this build.
It's a pretty big card and it's heavy, but you managed to put it. Yeah, graphics card holder and everything. That's good. That's good.
Yeah.
All right.
And then this does put on a bit of a show.
This is solid aluminium, right?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Oh.
Yeah, it sounds. We have to do a little light show. Like there's 3 different light show modes.
Let's have a look at this. Okay.
It's a wand.
And this is specially made too, right?
Yeah, it comes with it.
Okay, with the remote wand.
If you wanna change the light show mode, just tap it once, press it once, and do a circle motion. After this turns to a pink.
Oh, this motion.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So
cool.
like
Show us.
see, turns blue, then pink, and then I do a circle.
Oh.
Yes.
It's pretty. That's pretty cool. It's like almost like Harry Potter style.
Yes, exactly. That's what we're aiming for.
Okay, cool. And you got the antenna there. Yeah. Ooh, it's got the noise too.
Yeah, we got like 3 different musics.
Yeah. I tell you what though, of course, this is a unique case. It's probably one of how many they. Just in case you have like
TBD, we're making it for sure, but this is the indecision, like how much we want to go for it.
Yeah. And of course,
this thing by itself right now is like 60 something kg.
60 kg.
60-ish kg.
That's what, over 120, 130 pounds.
That's like how much I weigh.
That's heavy. Yeah. And of course, this is one of a kind. And tell you what, probably the only thing that's
what we'd like to do every year.
Yeah. And for your effort, of course, we have, check this out, the Best of Computex Award, of course.
Thank you so much.
Yes. This has got to be I don't think anything out there. This is so unique. All right. Of course.
Actually, if you want to take a look, this also we can move it just manually in case you don't have any magic power. But like here, you can see this side. It's not as glamorous, but this is where
the radiator.
Yeah, the power supply, and then cable management is pretty clean, so everything goes through under and inside, so you can barely see it too.
Oh wow!
Yeah,
it is. It's so smooth, like the way that the motor and the gears.
Spend a lot of time like looking through it.
All right.
Yeah, amazing.
That is so good.
Yes.
And
of course we have to show off the magic. We paired it with the Harry Potter game. Yeah, right there.
Okay, let me take a look.
The demo.
The demo. Yeah. All right. Here you go. All right.
Yeah.
Okay. that's amazing. So time frame. How long it take from start to finish a project for this kind of thing?
We started pretty much right after that last Computex. They were like already on the drawing board.
Yeah, because you do need to take some time just to actually design.
Yeah, this. Thing. If you end up buying one, we can like change the images on this. So
this is, you said acrylic, right?
Yes, acrylic, solid acrylic.
Yeah.
If it was glass, it'd be even heavier.
Yeah, it'd be heavier. Yeah, and it's probably laser etch.
Laser etch, yeah. And or CNC. Yeah.
Wow, that's amazing. Wow, definitely a unique. I wouldn't even say it's a case. This is a complete system, isn't it? So it's
this is a statement piece.
Yeah, a statement piece, definitely. Yeah. So definitely 40th anniversary. Got to show something off, and this is fantastic. All right, thank you, Justin, for this.
Yeah, thank you so much.
We're gonna look at some. Yeah, we're gonna look at some of the cases later on. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, cool.
All right, let's do it.